Hi, I'm Bryce with Liberty Homes, and today we're going to talk about adjusting your shelves inside your cabinet. If you have the quick release clips inside the cabinet, you don't have to take off the doors off the face of your cabinet in order to adjust the height of your shelves inside. An easy way to do this is just reach in and push on the top of the clip, and you need to lift up on the shelf at the same time as you push in on the clip in order to keep the clip pushed back out of your way. If that's a little bit hard to do with your finger or your thumb, then just grab a flathead screwdriver, push on the clip, lift the shelf up to hold the clip out of the way, push on the back clip, lift the shelf up, turn it at an angle, pull it out. Then you can adjust the clips to the new height in the pre-drilled holes on the side of your cabinet. Once you've moved all 4 of these clips to the new height, then you take your shelf back in at an angle, put it in the clips on one side, and push it down, and you just adjusted your shelf.